Oh, that's a lot of storage. Oh, jeez. What about my phone? Alright. There has to be a way to fix this. I don't want to pay for cloud storage, but is this the end? Of course not. Would this really be a video if I didn't have a response for this? Of course there are other options, and that's what I wanted to talk about today. In this brand new episode of Stand Up Tech, we're going to be looking at a product that might solve this situation. Let's go ahead and get started. Thank you again for watching today's episode. So what we're going to be talking about today is cloud storage. What is the best option to be able to access your files anywhere, be able to upload as much as you can, and be able to access it whenever you need to? I am actually going to be going through at least 4 different options that you could go with. The first is going to be the main tech product that I wanted to discuss today, which is iCloud Home. How it works is you have a router you can buy from 2 terabytes all the way to about 8 to 16 terabytes. With this hard drive, you plug it directly into your router or one of your Wi-Fi extenders, so it is automatically connected to your internet. Then it's able to access on the web. So your devices that are connected to the Wi-Fi network will be able to access it as well. You will not be allowed to go into the device unless you have a password or you are an authorized user. So it is encrypted. So you don't have to worry about someone else breaking into your computer or into your hard drive and accessing those files without that password. Now, of course, there are caveats to this. One of the big situations that I have is my computer has not enough storage on it. And with this, I have tried to do a backup of the entire hard drive onto the computer itself. That does not work. I wish it did. I'm not sure why it doesn't. So what you have to do is manually drag all the things you want to upload onto that hard drive one by one. Another downside to this hard drive is it depends on the internet and the router that it is connected to. So if you have slow internet speeds, or if your internet only does 2.4 gigahertz, you might notice a slowdown for your router, but also for the hard drive itself. So keep in mind, my cat is weird. So keep in mind that it won't always be fast depending on what kind of internet you have. So you kind of have to be careful with it. In this setup, what I have it just right on my desk connected to my router extender, which actually isn't working. But that's completely okay, because you do have the option to go ahead and connect it to Wi-Fi wirelessly. Now, if your Wi-Fi isn't good, again, it will affect the speed of the hard drive. If your internet is faster, the cloud storage will be faster as well. The second type of cloud storage is what I am trying to avoid, and it's the reason I wanted to make this video. Why wouldn't you just get cloud storage that you pay for in a subscription? Several reasons why you would, several reasons why you wouldn't. Let's go ahead and get started with the why you would. If you have an iPhone, you want to be able to back up all of your stuff. With the cloud storage, the plus side is you can add files to the hard drive. The only way to do that with something that is not photos or videos, you do have to upload it one by one. It's pretty easy to do. All you have to do is go to the file on your phone that you want to upload. So if you want, say, if you have a school schedule that you want to upload, all you have to do is click on the little box with the arrow, which will lead you to different options of sharing. You go to the option that says My Cloud, click on it, it'll ask if you want to put it on the cloud. You just click on yes, and you're all set to go. But you can't put an iPhone backup onto the hard drive. So, if you buy a new iPhone, or if you are restoring to an older backup, etc., you will not be able to access that or upload it onto this hard drive, which is really frustrating. Now, for an everyday thing, you might not notice how that would be an issue, but for someone like myself who's trying to back up everything, that is a pretty significant issue that I would like to resolve, which leads to why you would not get the iCloud hard drive, is because you can't back up your entire phone, entire tablet. You can upload everything from your computer onto the hard drive, but you have to do it one by one, and you cannot do applications. So you kind of have to look for what you're backing up. Now, one of the benefits of having a physical hard drive, which is the second thing I wanted to talk about, you can back up all your stuff, but still, there's not a way to back up the phone. The only way to do it is with iCloud storage, which is really what I'm trying to avoid. Monthly subscriptions is truly what 2018 technology has led to. When you go to a retail store, if you go to an Apple store, if you're just browsing the web, everybody asks about cloud storage. Everyone needs cloud storage to put all of your videos, your photos, your files onto that drive. Why? You want to be able to access everything at the same time while not spending a lot of money and not buying a phone or device that has a lot of storage up front. So you're able to not only choose later on how much storage you want, but all your devices will have access to it. Now, if you do have a PC with Windows 10, there's actually not a way to back up your entire drive onto cloud. However, with all iOS devices, and even sometimes Android devices, you can. You can back up everything from your iPhone or your iPad onto the cloud drive, and it will be saved. You can't do that with the other storage option, which is the iCloud drive. I'm not saying it's something you shouldn't get. I'm just saying that, hey, if you don't have a computer and you just want to back up everything from your phone or tablet, this is not going to be the solution for you. It's just going to be the iCloud storage, which again is what we're trying to avoid. Now, keep in mind, I'm not saying there is not a scenario where you shouldn't get it. It's not expensive for what you're getting, but at the same time, a lot of consumers for everyday use don't want to buy it, or they just get 50 gigabytes of cloud storage for just 99 cents per month. To get 200 gigabytes of cloud storage, it's only $2.99. To get 2 terabytes of cloud storage, it's $10 a month. You know, that's not that bad. And when you think about it, that's only what, a few cents a day? But still, not a lot of people want to pay that money. That might be a lot towards an average consumer, or maybe it's just the right amount to where you start buying it. Those are really the two things, but why would you pick the iCloud over the iCloud storage? For one, if you don't have an iPhone or iPad. For two, if you just have a computer that you just want to back up some basic stuff on it, and you like doing it manually. Or maybe you just want something that you can upload all your pictures and nothing else, because that's what it can do. Now, it doesn't matter what type of device you have. You can add family members, and they can have their own section on the hard drive to put their put all their storage on. So if you have a brother, wife, girlfriend, anybody that you want to add to that storage, you can do that really easily. Here are your two options if you have an iPhone, a Mac, or PC, and you just want to back up your stuff. You have two options. First is to buy a iCloud Home hard drive. Again, this connects to your router or your wireless network. It depends on the speed of it. And then the second option is iCloud storage, you do pay a monthly subscription. You have access to it on any device that you have iCloud connected to, so your Apple ID, and it backs up your entire phone for you automatically. This will not, this will. I really hope this video has helped. Please like, subscribe, share. You can do that from the bottom. Click on that little, I'm going to call it a bell. Ring that little bell. How can you ring it? You can't even. How about this? Let's call it a truce. Click on that bell and you'll receive notification. How about this? How about this? Go ahead and like the video. Go ahead and click on the bell so that you can get notifications for the latest videos, which should be every week or two. And go ahead and put in the comments what your thoughts are on either iCloud storage, monthly subscription, or the iCloud Home. I'd love to hear what you guys think. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like me to review. And I'll catch you in the next one. This has been Stand Up Tech. I, Henry. See you later.